welcome to Street Talk. I'm Anusha Paturi, and today we are taking a closer look at a movement that sparked global change, feminism. But in 2025, what does feminism means to everyday people? Is it still fighting or equality? Let's find out with voices from the street have through say. What is feminism for you in your perspective in 21st century?
Okay, in 21st century, I'm not a person who just like completely into the feminist thing. I respect people equally. Coming to feminists, I would tell like we should give more opportunities and more concern towards women nowadays and the things they face every day. So people who just dominate women character, they should be aware of how women build their self nowadays and so not only in every different field nowadays women are everywhere.
Feminism about the perspective about feminism is people believe that we are doing something to get attention. We are not doing anything to get anyone's attention. However, we just want to try to be ourselves. Maybe that is not up to their perspective criteria, stereotypical ways or anything. That's all what I would say about feminism, because different people have different perspectives. And I'll say it's more of a stereotypical and they're very rigid to accept. They're very rigid to accept.
Ma'am, do you feel anywhere it is misunderstood the concept of feminism today?
I think that this is happening nowadays because so many people are coming out, this is spreading, this is becoming more and more and more. It's not like that. It's just that now people are gaining confidence. They have seen one or two people. So maybe that one or two is being divided by another same number or multiplied by same number, and they are becoming more, and they're finding confidence to come out. That's it. Nothing like they are becoming something. And that's what I hear from so many people, that they want to become like this, or they want to. We had similar discussion in the seminar hall also. So nobody's becoming anything. They had been like this. They will be like this.
Feminism definitely it plays an important role, and where we are looking at more on equal opportunity and mutual respect, and even looking at more on supporting and mentoring and coaching all the women wherever working or wherever surrounding. And definitely there are a lot of guidance is required, and if you look at nowadays women leading almost everywhere. Even recently in Operation Sindoor, where our two proud women, our women leading the entire Operation Sindoor.
Do you feel anywhere women are making advantage of the need of feminism?
I don't think so. Definitely, I think everything is based on the talent, skills, and knowledge. And I don't think so they are taking any advantage, but definitely everybody is trying their own so that to stabilize themselves in terms of the career, as well as even to prove the skills, as well as even to support the families and even to support the society as well. And of course, I'm proud to have my wife is working in one of the companies, and she lives in finance, and I'm proud to have my daughter. She's today here, she's writing the exam for teaching the finance. Definitely we are proud for that. Support.
In your life, face a situation where you have to lose your favorite partner?
Yeah, I have. There are people who just like my own friends. If it is for a fun, once, twice I accept it, but not more than twice. When they say like women, they do things emotionally. Yeah, they do things. Men don't think about the emotional things. Yeah, exactly. So women think everything from the heart, right towards, and then do. So I would say women are correct. Okay, maybe the logic is not good, but the decisions what they take are really good for their family and the society.
As per your perspective, what is feminism today in the 21st century?
Feminism today, it has come a little bit. I think, today's function the way they like and the feeling of war is interesting. We are facing the community. We should be not discriminating in the future. Let's say I'm a women's minority or a women minority or whatever. these minorities, I would say. I think we should collectively talk and understand with the perspective of
Feminism in a classical concept. Okay, feminism is nothing but like, I being a female, it is not I have to exercise my rights. Okay, my rights are involved. I don't have to ask anyone any right for that. And I wouldn't call feminism is that we need to say that we have the potential and we should be equal to men. I don't believe in that. So I believe that a man and a woman, they have to be. I would even talk it as what we say it as equality. Okay, it's not being equal. It is actually, yes. It is actually, when we are talking of equity, I speak of gender equity more than feminism, where it is based upon the needs of the person. So that is what is my opinion regarding feminism and what I practice.
Ma'am, do you feel somewhere this generation kids or female especially are making advantage of this feminism and using the feminine card?
Yes, they play this card of feminism. I don't think we need to do that. When we play the card of feminism, I think we are undermining ourselves. Than we are giving them an edge, saying that these people are weak and that is why they are trying to. I don't think we have to use that card. Yes.
How do you as a man want to play a role in feminism? Like how do you want to involve in it?
See, basically, as a family man, I have a daughter, I have a wife, I have even mother also. So when we think about all these three women, those play a major role in our life. So not only in family, whenever my daughter goes out of the house, in society, she should get equal right, she should get equal opportunities, she should get equal gains as men community gains. That one. Even my wife also works in different cyber security area, so she's also doing her best to compete with the men world.
You have just heard diverse takes on what feminism means today, from empowerment to equality to controversy. Whether you agree or not, one thing is clear, the conversation is far from over. This has been Street Talks Feminism Today. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep asking the questions that matter.